Just a quick little burn today with the Butte Prescribed Burn Association in Butte Creek Canyon. There hasn't been a whole lot of prescribed burning in Butte Creek Canyon, but today burned some blackberries and some leaf litter and kind of just accumulated debris right here below this house. This house survived the campfire. I had some folks out here that have been to quite a few PBA burns now, but it was kind of just a small group with some assistance from Deer Creek Resources and Dallas Kohler was the burn boss, and we just a little cleanup burn. It's pretty mellow, it's quiet. Fire carried really well in the oak litter. We just would light the top and the whole thing just backed down gently. Made for, pretty relaxed outing. Didn't really have any holding concerns. We burned around some sycamores that had some heavy leaf litter, and that required some water to kind of mop them up, but small burn, plenty of water here to put it out, and nice day for burning in February. It's really nice. I also enjoy burning in the riparian area. There's so much material. I think people tend to think that being near a creek that the fire hazard might be lower, but the reality is that vegetation in dry climates grows really well where there's water. And so these riparian areas, similar to the ridge tops, to where we've got highly productive soils and the climate, they accumulate biomass like crazy. So don't let the fact that you have a creek in your backyard fool you into thinking that your fire hazard might be lower, because it's probably higher. Had nice kind of steady up canyon wind, and that made it easier for us to kind of work and stay out of the smoke and just let the fire back into the wind. So another nice day with the PBA in Butte Creek Canyon.